Chicken. Looks like a normal chicken. Wow.
Just something that frustrated me this late. We had Jollibee delivered via Grab. Ordered chicken for my son when I was trying to get him a bite. I found it super hard to even slice. Tried opening it up with my hands, and to my surprise, a deep fried taro. This is really disturbing. How the hell do you get the taro in the butter and even fry it? Yung totoo? I really thought that the post complaining about weird stuff in their orders were just all made up. Now I know that it really happens. So disgusting and embarrassing to think that you're even branched in BGC. There's a first for everything, and this has been the worst first. Calming myself down for this, but what the... Now I can't even think of the other chicken joys na kasama while frying this. Having the same oil for how many hours after frying this fried taro? Ano pa kaya kasabay ng mga chicken joy natin? You may get your chicken joy pero baka may kasabay ng towel. The essence of the towel contaminated the oil and the butter from the supplier, so how many chicken joys are affected? We won't know. Hashtag Jollibee Bonifacio stopover. Hashtag complain. Hashtag Jollibee towel ang saya.
Ikaw ang siyang ligaya ko, nagbibigay sigla sa puso ko. O giliw ko, pakinggan mo ang nais sabihin ng aking puso na mahal, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ako magbabago, asahan mo ito. Mahal, mahal na mahal kita. Ang puso ko'y iyong-iyo, asahan mong maghihintay sa'yo. Ang puso ko'y lulumbay kung di ikaw ang kapiling sa habang buhay. Pag-ibig ko'y walang hanggan, maghihintay sa iyo magpakailan pa man.